Hi, I'm Mike Layton. I live here in the city of Toronto with my wife Brett and our two little girls, Phoebe and Chloe. And over the last couple of years, we've undertaken to do a home energy retrofit to get our house off of natural gas. And one of the major parts of that was installing a heat pump to both heat and cool our home. We installed the heat pump in the summer of 2021, and we've been through, this will be our second winter, and we've not needed a backup to heat our house, and it's cozy inside when it's freezing cold out here. It's minus 10 out here today. It went down to minus 15 overnight, and our house stayed a comfortable 21 the whole time. We knew we wanted to make sure that our home was a positive contributor to not only our family's health and by not burning natural gas in the house, that means for better indoor air quality, but also we wanted to make sure that our home, where we spend most of our time, where we actually produce most of our greenhouse gases, that we were doing our part to create a better world for our little kids. The cost of the installation for the heat pump was about $5,000. And at that point in time, in the winter time, our combined hydro and electric bill were around $320, $350. Now that was before the increase to the cost of natural gas. And the combined cost of our electricity bill this year, because we have no gas bill, is around $200. So immediately there in the winter, even in the winter time when we're using the most electricity that we will use with the heat pump, we're already saving money on a monthly basis with respect to our utility bills. If you're hesitant about getting a heat pump or haven't decided yet what you're going to do, there's three things you should think about. One is the comfort of your home will be improved. The second is the health of your home and the air quality in your home will be improved. And third, you'll be leaving a healthier planet for your kids.